Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. At the Salesian House in Montero Tondo in the province of Padua, from September 1st to 4th, social communication officers and teams from the Salesian provinces of Italy and the associations, Salesians for Social, Salesian Cooperators, Salesian Youth Clubs and the Federation of Past Pupils gathered for training on the infosphere and the digital. Leading the reflection on the topic of the infosphere began Pedro del Solda, philosopher, writer and radio host, who focused on the need for everyone to have a downtime or leisure time to challenge themselves, renew themselves. Lisa Iotti, a journalist from the program Report, on the other hand, pointed out how much the uninterrupted buzz that the digital world constantly generates disturbs and prevents people from finding a space to listen to themselves. From 2nd to 4th September, the provincial animators of the Salesian Youth Movement (SYM) of the Mexico Guadalajara province met with the aim of reflecting on the journey of the Church of the Salesian congregation and of the province to offer better accompaniment to young people, tracing a path to be taken starting from the central options of the provincial staff project, which has been renewed and proposed for the 2022 to 2027 6-year period. The meeting was planned and organized by the Youth Ministry Office of the MEG province. 42 animators who accompany the SYM and its associations were summoned. 32 attended in person and 10 online. In an atmosphere of sharing and planning, the synodal work between consecrated and lay people engaged in the Salesian mission was remarkable. There are currently 15 Salesians in initial formation in the Salesian Vice Province, Mary Help of Christians of Malta, some belonging to the MLTVP and others who come from various Salesian provinces around the world, but who are carrying out their internship in Malta. Many of them experience important milestones in their Salesian lives during these days. On September 2nd, Johan Bugeja and Clint Rizzo made their perpetual profession in front of more than 400 youth and youth leaders from all over the island. 2 days later, during 2 different ceremonies, 5 Salesians renewed their temporary vows. They are Radoslaw Kolizejczak, Bartłomiej Szałdrowski and Gregor Sel, all from Poland, who are doing their internship in Malta, and Matthew Alfino and Rafael Assisa, 2 Maltese Salesians. Salesian work in Mosquera kick off the celebration for 120 years of presence in the region. The event was attended by Father John Jairo Gomez Rua, Superior of the Salesian province of Bogota, Father Edgar Matthias, Provincial Vicar, Father Rafael Lasso, Provincial Economer, Father John Hernandez, Delegate of Youth Ministry and Communication, and the Director of the province, Ramiro Morales, as well as many members of the Salesian family. It was a day full of joy and thanksgiving for what has been built over these 120 years, always keeping the young people most in need as protagonists. A rich cultural agenda was organized during the event with dancing and musical performance and the presentation of the official anniversary image with the motto, "Our history, our present, our dreams." Rector Major of the Society of St. Francis de Sales and head of the Salesians all over the world, Superior of Don Bosco institutions in 134 countries, 10 successor of Don Bosco, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, installed Father Cliff Tellis as the 4th Provincial of the province of Panjim on Wednesday, September 7, 2022, at the Shrine of Our Lady of Fatima in Panjim. Leadership is a selfless service, he told Father Cliff. Thank you for accepting it. The new provincial will take charge of 18 Salesian institutions in the Panjim Konkan region from Kohalpur in Maharashtra, Goa to Mangalore in Karnataka that has 105 Salesians working in it. During the solemn concelebrated Holy Eucharist, taking the example of Jesus and marking the ultimate goal of leadership as service to others, Father Artime instructed Father Tellis during the installation ceremony to look after his Salesian brother religious, especially those who are weak and going through rough situations. Leadership is not easy. Leader is not a boss, he is a servant. He has to reach out, take care of the poor and the needy, he added. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.